Are you in search of the best Linux distribution for 2022? If you're a beginner or advanced user and want to try Linux as a primary or secondary OS on your computer, then this video is the one you must watch. There are innumerous Linux distros out there which offer a ton of features and all of them work the same way. As a Linux user, you may face a lot of issues in regards to stability, compatibility, and flexibility. And that's why it's very tough to choose the best distribution which suits your needs. Unlike Windows and Mac OS, Linux gives a full control to an end user to try it before installing it on the main computer. Hey guys, my name is KS Kirail. Today in this video, I'm going to show you the top 10 fantabulous best Linux distributions for 2022. Now these are more intuitive, refined, and give the best user experience. All these distributions, which I will be showing in a moment, can be used for general purposes, multimedia consumption, programming, and whatever you fancy. Now without further ado, let's dive into this video. So if you are planning to kickstart 2022 with the best Ubuntu-based Linux distribution, then Ubuntu DDE is the ultimate distribution you must try. Ubuntu DDE is a combination of Ubuntu with the most beautiful user interface, the Deepin desktop. Now this is an amazing flavor of Ubuntu that you have been waiting, which looks more modern and stylish. The simple and sleek user interface of Deepin Desktop with a combination of Ubuntu takes the whole desktop experience to the next level. The UI elements of Deepin Desktop, which include a start menu, app launcher, dock, control center, system notifications that look mind-blowing. This is more than enough for an end user to fall in love with Ubuntu DDE instantly. One of the things which I am astounded by Deepin Desktop is the immersive mode of the app launcher. Now this is a new launchpad where you can see all of the applications organized in categories. Now, this kind of reminds me of the launchpad in Mac OS. Overall, I would say Ubuntu DDE is a fantabulous Linux distribution that provides a Mac OS lookalike experience, and don't worry about any spyware or any other things. It seems to be transparent when it gets compared to other Deepin distros. Now, Cutefish OS is built on Debian 11, which brings a new desktop UI for Linux distros and has been built using an open source software. Now, this is the default desktop screen you would see after installing, and as you can see, this is a home screen of a Cutefish desktop. There is a menu bar on the top and system controls are present on the top right. The system controls are quite similar to Mac OS Control Center, which has a refreshed look. At the bottom, there is a dock that is more futuristic and looks very minimal. A dock is a place where you can pin your favorite applications to get started with your work instantly. Now within a dock, you can see there is an option for the launcher. Now from here, you can view all of the installed applications. Now these are the default Cutefish OS applications that look incredible, and overall I would say Cutefish OS is a clean and gorgeous Linux distro that has built on Debian and offers a distraction-free user experience that is very easy to use. If you're the one who is tired of Windows 11 and decided to switch to Linux, then Feren OS is the one you must give it a shot. Feren OS is a free Ubuntu-based distribution that comes with a familiar user experience that can be changed to suit your workflow. The Plasma desktop has tuned in such a way to make it look visually attractive. From the start menu to the status bar, the entire user interface is mesmerizing. From office software to internet browsers, to games to media playback, Feren OS comes with a whole variety of applications in their repositories, and you can use their App Store or web browser manager to install them. Feren OS uses a fewer system resources. This way you can enjoy multitasking and running more applications at once. With Feren OS, you can update the applications you got from the App Store alongside your system. Now, in one word, I would say Feren OS is a polished and well-stocked, excellent Linux distribution that comes close being an ideal replacement for Windows 11. Garuda Linux is one of the most stylish and good-looking Linux distros that has taken the Linux experience to the next level. It is based on Arch, which features a super sleek user interface and incredible features that comes preloaded out of the box. Now, this Linux distro comes in different desktop environments: KDE Plasma, GNOME, XFCE, and more. It comes with an amazing theme out of the box that looks eye candy. Now, along with that, the developers have added a blur effect, and the super fancy animations that flow throughout the system attract the end user. In other words, it's a well-customized Plasma desktop with a beautiful theme. Now, apart from UI, this distro features a BTRFS file system instead of XT4. The primary focus of this distro, which includes a fault tolerance, repair, and easy administration. If you talk about the features, it comes with a automatic snapshots out of the box using a time shift, Garuda settings manager to tweak the system, and a lot of GUI tools that are pre-installed, which lets you install the emulators, gaming tools, and more. Overall, I would say Garuda Linux is a rolling distribution that receives the latest software from time to time and keeps your system up to the date. So if you're the one who wants the customized version of Plasma desktop, then Garuda is the perfect choice for you. Zorin OS is made to be an alternative to Windows 11, designed to make your computer faster, more powerful, and secure. It is one of the refined, underrated Linux desktop OS, which features a GNOME desktop environment. Zorin OS user interface is beautiful and easy to use. From beginners to high-end users, everyone will fall in love with Zorin OS. It is super user-friendly, and those who are expertise in Windows can easily adopt the UI. Zorin OS is based on Ubuntu and uses an apt and Debian package manager to install software programs. Zorin OS features include a dock, launchpad, app store, desktop pages, and more. Now, when it comes to the core UI features, it offers a dark theme, accent colors, and desktop layouts. Now, this way you can customize the UI according to your taste. Overall, I would say Zorin OS is a beautiful, user-friendly Linux distribution that runs super smooth on any older PC or laptop, which is well suited for absolute beginners. Pop OS is based on Ubuntu, which is developed and maintained by System 76. System 76 is a Linux hardware manufacturer which is known for selling laptops, desktops, and servers. Pop OS was created in 2017. Since then, it has progressed a lot and become one of the best Linux distribution. Pop OS uses a Cosmic desktop which is based on GNOME. The main goal of Cosmic is to offer a polished and more functional user experience when compared to GNOME. Cosmic Desktop introduces a highly flexible dock to Pop OS that can be customized according to your liking. When pressing the super key or window key on the keyboard opens the launcher, which is used to search for any app or files. Some of the features of Pop OS include tiling windows, vertical workspaces, built-in NVIDIA drivers, and more. Overall, I would say Pop OS is one of the highly flexible and well-maintained Linux distributions which is known to be stable and secure. Now, this distribution is well-suited for creative professionals and developers. It offers a lot of programming language as well as essential tools for programming, and a wide range of tools and libraries are readily available to get started. Ultramarine Linux is based on Fedora, designed for a simple, out-of-the-box experience while giving as much power as possible to power users. Ultramarine is a brand new, lightweight Fedora-based distribution that offers a minimal user experience that aims to be light, stable, and secure. It comes with two variants for the time being, which are a flagship edition powered by Budgie Desktop and Cutefish edition with Cutefish Desktop. As of now, Budgie Desktop is the default UI that runs on the top of Ultramarine, and the Cutefish Desktop is still under development. If you're the one who feels Fedora is slow and heavy for your PC and looking for the lighter version, then try Ultramarine. Except for the NVIDIA drivers and the minor system glitches, I think this could be one of the good-looking Fedora-based distributions which are easy to use. Now, apart from this, if you manage to make the NVIDIA drivers work on your PC, then this could perform much better. So if you are planning to use it for a long period, I recommend trying Fedora instead. But if you want to gain experience in Linux, then Ultramarine is worth of trying. Manjaro is based on Arch Linux and a professionally made operating system that is suitable replacement for both Windows and Mac OS. It is a fast Linux operating system that supports various desktop environments to fulfill your requirement. It has a good community base based on Arch Linux, and it is designed to offer a fast results, user-friendly UI, fantastic power to an end user to control the hardware, and many more. Manjaro's development team is doing an amazing job because they polish this Linux distro with every update. Unlike Arch Linux, installing Manjaro is very easy. It comes with a Calumet's installer that solves a lot of headaches and makes the installation hassle-free. Now, thanks to its large collection of software on the repositories, which is a boon for an end user. So if you're the one who is into programming stuff or looking for the best Arch-based distribution, then Manjaro is the one you must try. Linux Mint is a popular Linux distribution based on Ubuntu and Debian. It is a well-maintained, free and open-source Linux distribution providing a huge number of packages. Linux Mint is very easy to use with an attractive user interface. And thanks to the Cinnamon desktop, which is lightweight and offers a lag-free user experience. One of the things which I like about the Linux Mint, it is super stable distribution compared to others and works incredible ranging from newer to older computers. The default welcome screen allows the user to tweak the system, install graphic drivers, firmware, and more. It comes with the default software like LibreOffice, Firefox, Thunderbird, HexChat, Transmission, and more. Also, you're free to use the package manager or app store to download other software. So beginners or newbies who are coming into Linux, I recommend Linux Mint is the perfect choice for the long run. KDE Neon is the most precious, underrated KDE-made Linux distribution, which comes with Plasma Desktop and is built upon the rock-solid base Ubuntu LTS. Now, this Linux distro is made by the KDE team, which brings the latest and greatest of KDE community software packaged on a rock-solid base. The Plasma Desktop is a smart, effective, and beautiful environment from the very first you start using it. So if you are in love with KDE and Qt frameworks, then using KDE Neon with Plasma and KDE applications will be continuously updated. Now this way you don't need to wait for a long time to receive the updates. Overall, I would say if you truly admire the KDE software and want to be the first to experience all the new features, then KDE Neon is the one you should install. It will be supported for the next few years with all security and software updates, which makes your Linux system stay safe, healthy, and secure. And that's pretty much it. These are the top 10 fantabulous Linux distributions of 2022. So if you're a distro hopper and stick to one distribution and use it as a primary OS and keep hopping for others and try as a secondary OS. That way you can gain a lot of experience in Linux. So let me know which one you like the most. Also, if you have any suggestions or queries, do let me know in the comment section down below. So if in case you like this video, hit the thumbs up button down the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon to see a versatile tech content. Thanks for watching my video. This has been KS Kirail. I will see you in my next one.